In this tutorial, we will show you how to fill PDF form with data from Asana using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample PDF form to fill out the fillable fields using the data from Asana. First, let's start by creating a Zap. Next, search and select the Asana app from the list of the apps. Then, choose the new task in a project. It will trigger when you add a new task to your project. Next, let's set up the Asana configuration. In the Workspace field, select the name of your workspace in the drop-down box. In the Project field, enter the name of the project that you make. We will test the trigger to make sure that we set it up correctly. Before we proceed in the next step, we will show you how to get the field name. Kindly open your PDF.co account. Then, click the Helper Tools menu and choose the Get PDF Info tool. Next, click the Choose File button to upload your PDF file and get the detailed PDF file information. We will use this field name to fill out the fillable field. Now, let's add another app and select the PDF.co for the app event. Next, choose the PDF filler for the action event. Let's set up the PDF filler module. In the Source PDF field, enter the URL of the source document. In the fillable fields, enter the page number, field name, and the data value. We will now send a request to PDF.co to process the PDF filler and make sure there are no errors in the setup. Great! The PDF.co returned a temporary URL to access the filled form. Kindly copy and paste the URL in your browser to see the result. Excellent! We have successfully filled the fillable PDF form template with data from Asana. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.